In this lesson, we are going to install development tools for Mac. The first tool is Code Editor. We are going to use Visual Studio Code in this course. Go to code.visualstudio.com and click on the download button here. Based on your operating system, you can select the right one. For my case, I click on Download Mac. You will be redirected to a new page, and after a few seconds, the file will be downloaded here. After download, you will have that file in your downloads folder, and by double click on it, it extracts as a Visual Studio Code.app. Then open a new instance of Finder, right click, new Finder window, click on Applications and drag Visual Studio Code app there. That's it. You will have Visual Studio Code in your Applications folder. Then double click on Visual Studio Code, or you can press Command Space and type code to find Visual Studio Code in Spotlight. Click on it and there we are. Maximize VS Code. Let's go for next tools. It's the browser. We are going to use Google Chrome in this course. So you need to go to google.com/Chrome and click on Download Chrome. Then just run the application to have Google Chrome instead of default browser in your Mac operating system. The next tools is Node.js. Go to this address, nodejs.org/en, and download the LTS version of it. It's version 16. Click on it. It takes a while to download latest version of Node on your computer. Double click on the downloaded file to open the wizard of installation of Node. Click on Continue, Continue, Agree, Continue, Install. Enter your password, your Mac password, and there we are. It's installing Node.js on the Mac. Click on Close and click on Move to Trash the installer file. Nice. Let's go for the last one. We use Git in this course, so we need to install it. Go to git.scm.com and then click here, Download for Mac. You will be redirected to this page and you need to follow the instruction here. The simplest way is doing this, using brew install git. Press Command Space and type terminal, select terminal and run brew install git. It updates brew and then the git. That's it about installing Git. If you already have Xcode on your Mac, Git is already installed. Let's check the versions of Git and Node in VS Code. In the VS Code, we have integrated terminal. From terminal menu, click new terminal, and there we are. You don't need to use the external and standalone terminal in Mac. Instead of it, we use integrated terminal inside VS Code. Let us start by checking the version of Git, git -- version. We are using version 2.34.1. Check the Node version. You can use -v here. We are using version 16. And check npm. It's version 8. So throughout this course, we use Git, Node, and npm regularly. That's it about this lesson. In the next lesson, we configure VS Code to code faster, better, and smarter. Until that lesson, bye-bye.